don't think it gets any better to start an episode like this. We're with Brad. Brad is the man. Freaking finished the Rain Gutter Ranger in, how long did it take you? What, 2.5 years?
2.5, 3 years.
2.5, 3 years. Truck came as a roller. I mean, I heard you were ripping pretty hard today too. How did it feel?
I feel like it was ripping pretty hard.
Yeah.
First time really jumping it.
Did you guys get like any footage of it running or anything?
I have some cell phone footage.
So you guys, we're over here at Midwest Dirt Fest. We're with Brad, and Brad is an awesome guy. Brad and his brother Brent have been like helping us out ever since we came here in the old days. Like 2015?
14, 15, I think.
Dude, a long time ago. How is it to see the Michigan scene just grow since then?
So much. Like,
dude.
Just Dirt Fest and like people building companies out here is humongous. This is the biggest, I think this is the most tickets sold in like pre-registering since the start. It just gets bigger and bigger.
How many entries have you heard there is?
I think there's more than 60, I think.
I heard there's 80. Damn! That's a lot of entries, you guys. That is...
It's huge.
That's crazy. I mean, you guys usually have like 40 max.
I think 2 years ago, it was like 37 trucks total.
Yeah. And everybody kind of, I mean, not in a bad way, but a lot of people will have issues the first practice, right?
There's a lot of people today for the first practice was just...
It's pretty wild.
Pretty wild. There's a side-by-side that rolled right there.
Oh my gosh.
Today.
So you guys, we're with the jump champion right here.
Here we go!
Brad won the Method Jump Champ last year. You know what? I love the truck, dude. I'm gonna tell you, be careful. You know, dude. I hate to be desert dad mode. We're not desert woods dad mode, but just please be safe.
Very, very sketched out on a few turns.
Good, good. I mean, I'm happy that you're going to be cautious. So Brad killed it. We got to cut to the jalapeno, but the jalapeno is a favorite, dude. Did you bring that this year?
No.
No, she's at home?
No, it's actually, I sold it to a friend.
What? No! Well, the jalapeno, guys, is a legendary truck out here. To me, it is. I love that thing. Brad would drive the wheels off that thing. Go so hard in that thing. So let's check out the truck. Tell us the updates. I know last time we checked. If you guys want to see the last episode, you guys can see where Brad was at with the truck before. We'll throw a link right here. You guys can see that. Tell us what you finished since the last time we seen you.
I got the truck running. Took it out to Tyson's house and was doing some testing with it. And
what was left to finish on it when we left last time?
It was wiring was a big thing, mounting fiberglass.
Okay.
Just getting like the final touches, the little stuff you don't see and you don't think about. That's
it adds
the
up.
Hardest part.
It adds up, dude.
Because you get all the big ticket items out of the way, and it's like, oh sweet, I get to drive it. No, you have to pay like. Just the oh, it switches. You want nice switches, you want nice breakers, you want nice like relays and fans.
I am never gonna financially recover from this.
And so I got all that finally done, and Tyson helped me long hours, and we got it running, took it to his house, ran great, went to the dunes. It overheated like crazy. I got stuck constantly.
Oh shoot.
Battery was dying. I'm like, dude, I feel like this is like my first time ever going to the dunes. So ended up being the radiator like bulged all of the fins and wasn't letting any air through it. So I redid
show us,
my I just ended up putting a stock V8 Explorer radiator in it, and then this is a NASCAR radiator. So I ended up putting this in front. It ran fine. It keeps cool. Kind of switched things around, tilted it back a little bit.
So since that change, the truck's ran cool.
Yep.
And this is pretty much the first day you ran it, right? I mean, well, you ran it at Tyson's.
I ran it at Tyson's just the other day when you came out.
Oh yeah, so I forgot about that. Duh. Yeah. So a couple days ago, you ran it at Tyson's, and we got some bangers of that. That's a pretty aggressive test session.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie.
I was just testing for 37s. So
Right. So first time on 37s. What tires you running?
these are the Gladiator, the X-Comp ATs.
X-Comp ATs, Gladiator. These are like they're all terrain, right?
Yeah.
And then now you got methods too, right? Oh no, you have race lines.
No, race line. These are Tyson's old wheels.
Okay.
Tyson got some new wheels, so I was like, can I borrow them?
Tyson got methods.
Yeah, Tyson got methods. I drove my truck out there with just the 35s, the 20-year-old BFG mud trains,
Okay.
and it was not hooking up. It was just digging like crazy. And
There's Josh. So you guys, we're actually standing on the triple right now. Hey, what's up, guys? Traffic. Oh, so this is your first time on 37s, right?
37s is like complete night and day.
No way.
It's like-
With these guys, you feel a difference.
These things hook up so good. There's only a couple corners where they get super soft,
Yeah.
and I've just been feathering it because I don't really want to roll again.
Of course, we don't want that to happen either, man. So what was wrapped up on the truck was electrical. You got the radiator handled.
Cooling issues.
You stepped up to 37s.
37.
You got some other rims on this thing.
Revalved all the
wheels. What's up, Josh?
Say, mister, that got four-wheel drive in her? That's a pretty neat truck you got.
What's up, buddy?
What up?
The shenanigans begin, you guys. It's gonna be wild. Tomorrow is Midwest Dirt Fest. Today was practice day. What wheel travel do you have in the front of this thing?
So it's 24 in the front. I think it's 36 in the rear, 34 in the rear.
2.5 coilover.
3.0 triple bypass. Those are 16s.
16s, okay. What front beams are on this thing?
This is all Giant Motorsports I-beams and radius arms and links.
Oh, okay, awesome. So this is all. What's up, Jeff? Jeff is an old friend.
Jeff Falzone.
Jeff Falzone, man. He's the guy who runs Giant Motorsports. So all Giant stuff, Giant beams, Giant radius arms, Giant links.
Giant links, cambered rear end.
Cambered rear end. Dude, this thing looks just so good, dude. I love this thing, man. It looks great. And then what glass is on this?
McNeil.
All McNeil.
I have it.
Mark, you're always making such good looking glass, man. Look at this. I mean, look at how the body lines line up. Boom,
That's
perfect.
all Jamie Prater.
Boom.
Jamie helped me
Line everything up.
2 nights. We had all the glass perfect.
Heck
and
yeah.
I'm not good at that part. I like the fabricating end. So
Yeah.
He's like, I don't like the fabricating end. I like this part.
I like the body stuff.
We'll kind of switch off work.
And then what fuel cell are you running in this?
I think it's just Jegs, like 32 gallon.
This is the one that I think that fits perfectly right between the Ranger frame rails. You got a single spare right now?
Yeah.
Or do you plan on running another, or are you good with one?
Planning on just cutting all this off and doing 2 stack tires. Pretty much all I did really was modify the back part because it used to have the fuel cell back here.
Okay.
And it had 2 stack tires, so I cut that off and built this for 35.
Okay.
Then moved up to 37s, and now 37s don't fit in that hole.
So now you got to do that.
Yeah.
Okay, well, that's not too bad, man.
It's the Chile.
Chile. So this is no longer the jalapeno.
No.
This is the Chile.
Jamie painted all of it. This is all car paint on the frame. And
see.
my friend Bo and I painted the rear half of the cage. Jamie painted the cab, like inside cage, and the engine cage, all the links and I-beams.
You really need to do that out here, huh? Because the rust and everything.
So if you go to the dunes and you have bare metal,
Yeah.
it will just flash rust like overnight.
Well, dude, I mean, the truck looks amazing. Do you know what color you're going to paint this thing? Or are you going to just run it white fender it for a little bit?
It's a secret.
Top secret.
So I'm gonna paint the whole thing. It will be all matching fenders.
Heck
It's
yeah.
actually driving me nuts.
Dude, honestly, I was just talking to Josh earlier, and if you don't drive a Prerunner, with white fenders for a little bit, is it really a Prerunner?
I don't know.
You know what I mean? That's how you got to welcome
Cody's
it.
been rocking it for a long time.
That thing truly is a real Prerunner. Hey guys, we can't wait to catch up with Brad. At the track, we'll stack some bangers of this thing. Tomorrow's gonna be great, guys. Again, you guys don't see trucks finish that fast, and there's a drive with these Michigan guys that really make it happen.
We got a lot of work to do during winters, so.
So this keeps you going.
The winter is where we prosper.
I think maybe we'll just peek in the inside real quick. Yeah, dude, there it is. Sick. Looks really good.
everything inside has stayed the same except for up here. This is all open. Some of the floor parts are open, and when I got the truck, is from the seats back were open.
Oh,
and then
okay.
there's some big gaps.
So you guys sealed it all off.
Brent, my brother, and I really killed it on this. He went full blown with it, and we like completely sealed it all in, and then I seam sealed all like the open spots. Then I put Dynamat through the whole floor and walls, and
how does it sound in there?
it's quiet.
Really?
It's actually really quiet, and then I got the rugged headsets on it, and you can just hear a little bit of the motor noise. Takes all the bypass noises out of it. It's awesome.
What was your power plant on this thing again?
So we have a 351 Windsor, mid-plate, turbo 400, two-piece drive shaft to a cambered 4-inch housing.
Nice. And then shock size in the rear?
2.5 coilover, 3.0 triple bypass.
16 and 14?
These are 14s in the rear.
Okay.
No, yeah, 16. I
16. Yeah, 16, 16, 14, 16.
14s and
Close enough. Close enough. You got the race ones though. We do know that because they're etched in.
Package.
That's how you guys know. So if it's etched in like that, really, that's how you guys know you have a race shock.
It's 16 in the rear, 14 in the front.
Perfect. Well, killed it, dude. I'm happy you got these guys because you're a wild man. You know, Brad, dude, thank you, man, for just crushing it out here. You guys have done such a really great impact, like on the scene out here. Brad's one of the original guys out here that's been doing it for years. Again, I met him like our first year out here, and to see the way the scene has grown has been amazing. You know,
I'm
seriously,
just
man, it's a really big deal.
Kind of from California too, and meet a good group of guys that.
Yeah.
Because I remember coming to like fab shops and stuff in California, and be like, this is never in my price range. There's no way I could do this.
Yeah. And then you started fabbing.
Well, yeah, I just kind of just got into it and figured it out.
Right on. Very cool. See, guys.
Learn every day.
You gotta freaking just go for it. Yeah, well, good stuff, man. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry it was kind of a quick one. We're fighting the daylight, but hopefully the action in this thing was definitely worth it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and all that good stuff. If you guys have questions for Brad, you guys can leave them in the comments. This is just one badass rain gutter ranger, and we're so stoked that you're part of the crew, man. High five right here, boom. And that Brad is a great representation, man. Just doing it, freaking making it happen, and driving the hell out of this thing. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Later.
See ya.